In this video, I'll teach you a powerful TDI indicator strategy, something that was never shared on YouTube before, or the internet, or on Google. By the end of this video, you'll be extremely happy, so be sure to sit back, relax, and learn something new. But I do not promise a holy grail. Trading remains trading.
Nice.
TDI is an indicator that can read market sentiment and volatility at the same time. Our strategy requires use of all components, which are volatility bands in blue, RSI line in green, signal line in red, and last but not least, the moving 50.
Nice.
We do not need to spend hours explaining if a strategy is an effective one. Let's go straight to the point. Without wasting much of our time, these are the three things we need to look for. 1. The shark fin. 2. The hook. 3. The bloodline.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As mentioned earlier, volatility bands and the RSI lines forms the basis of our strategy. When the volatility of an asset rises, it usually appears outside the bands. As we can see, the RSI line looks like a shark fin diving back into the ocean. This is the first thing we need to see on the H1 time frame. The next important part is the hook. This is when the RSI line is coming from a shark fin and crosses the moving 50 to the other side and back again, forming a hook shape. The hook is a process of creating the second leg of the TDI pattern. So we have the shark fin, the hook, and here's the last part. So far we have defined the shark fin, the hook, and the last component is the bloodline. The bloodline is the entry trigger. It is the last interaction of the RSI line and the signal line. When this love affair occurs, it is time to enter the market, and of course with properly calculated risk. Before we go through examples, we have an advanced course where you can learn all these concepts in depth. This course is going for $99 and it's a lifetime access. See you on the other side. In this case, we had shark fin going above the moving 50, the creation of the second leg, interaction with the 50, interaction with the signal line, and our entry was going to be somewhere at this particular point. Our 50 was actually effortless. Another point, we had shark fin going above the 50, creation of the second leg, interaction with the signal line. That is where we're going to make our entry, which is forward candle. This was going to give us interaction. Let's say we entered at this point, right? We had our 50. If you look closely, you'd see that you have a high accuracy rate, and can even automate this particular trading strategy, right? Shark fin, the market went below the 50, came above the 50, interaction with the 13, and we have this good move.